Hey Candy, wake up! Three English assessment from Mr. Faisal.
Are you boarding me, bro? I am sleeping.
Uh, Three English assessment, bro. The deadline is today.
Damn! Let's go. Walk in it tomorrow and meet Safira. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Miss,
Good afternoon.
we would like to have short discussion about campus life and the development of our university. Do you have moment to talk?
Sure, I have more time. What would you like to discuss?
We will be assessment to make report by interview a lecturer about the development of university, the academic system, and your expectation for students. So we like to ask you for few questions, if this okay.
Of course, go ahead. I'm glad when students are active and curious.
Okay. Alright, Miss. First question. In your opinion, how has your campus development over the past few years in terms of both faculty and the academic system?
The development has been quite significant. The campus facilities are now much more than they were 5 years ago. There are new buildings, more modern laboratories, and the academic system has started to go digital. Now students can access class schedule, grades, and even academic consultations online.
Okay.
But of course, there are still things to improve, especially in terms of service quality and discipline in using technology.
Okay. That's very interesting, Miss. In your opinion, what is the biggest challenge in university faced in the developing the digital academic system?
There are two main challenges. One, human resource and student adaptation. Not all lecturers and students are completely familiar with digital system. Sometimes there are technical issues of a lack of training. Moreover, some people are still more comfortable with manual methods. So the university needs to provide continuous guidance and socialization.
Okay, that's true, sir. That's true, Miss. We had also to talk now from your point of view what role the student organization play and supporting the development of university.
Their role is very important. Student organization can act as a bridge between students and the university. Through campus activities, they can build a positive image of the university, express students' aspiration, and help create an active and creative academic atmosphere. But of course, the activities must be carried of responsibility, not just ceremonially.
Oh, okay. Speaking of the university ISMEC, Miss, what do you expect from the current generation of the student to uphold the good of name of a campus?
I hope students maintain good ethics, both in real life and on social media. Nowadays, a university's reputation is not only measured by academic achievement but also by the behavior of its members in the digital world. So it's very important to show professionalism, politeness, and mutual respect.
Okay. After this, Miss Leslie, would like to know your opinion about the future of campus. What do you think the university will look like the next 5 to 10 other years ago?
Actually, I'm optimistic. If everyone, like lecturers, students, and the university management, continues to collaborate, this campus can become one of leading universities at the national level. The key is continuous innovation, discipline, and a strong spirit of learning. I also hope students like you or everyone else will be part of the progress.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss. Your explanation is really opened our of mind. Your answer is very helpful for achievement. Hopefully, in the future, we can also contribution to development of your campus.
You are very welcome, Henry. I'm glad you care about the university progress. Keep up the enthusiasm for learning and contributing.
Okay, yes, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Thank you very much. Halo, Assalamualaikum. Okay, this time I will continue with part 2 of the interview with Miss Safira. Let's go. Hello, Miss. We finally meet again. This time I would like to ask you about student, especially the most common mistake they make during their college years.
Well, the most common mistake is poor time management. Many students procrastinate on assignment. Students only keep for exam or focus too much on non-academic activities to feel on balance. As a result, they feel overwhelmed and at the end of the semester.
Okay. Does that also affect student mental health, Miss?
Absolutely. When students fail to manage their time properly, academic pressures get hard. Well, that's why it's important for students to recognize their limits, get enough rest, and not hesitate to ask for help when facing difficulties.
Okay. So communication is also about Miss both with the lecturer and fellow student.
Well, yes, good communication can prevent many misunderstandings. Students should not be afraid to discuss academic issues with the lecturer. Most lecturers are open to helping as long as students are polite and responsible.
Okay. In your opinion, what is the ideal attitude of student in the classroom?
An ideal student is active, critical, and respectful of the learning process. Being active doesn't always mean being taught a lot, but being willing to listen, take notes, and ask questions when something is clear.
Okay. We often hear that students are agent of change. How can the student fulfill that role in real life?
Students can become agents of change through simple actions, such as setting a good example, expressing criticism publicly, and participating in activities that have a positive impact on society. Change doesn't always have to be big. Consistency and responsibility matter
Do you see difference between today student and previous generation?
Of course, yes, especially in thinking patterns and communication style. Today's students have faster access to information and are more confident in expressing opinions. However, the challenge lies in filtering information and maintaining what is it? Maintaining ethics.
Okay. That is in that big challenge is the era digital, Miss.
Well, exactly. That's why the university is not only a place to gain knowledge, but also a place to build character and moral values.
Okay. After this interview, we will more motivation to impression of the student.
I'm glad you're there. Motivation is the first step, but consistency is
Okay, we will try to apply your advice in our academic life.
good. Remember that success does not come instantly. It involves process, hard work, and practice.
Thank you very much for the knowledge and motivation your series. Good night. Night.
You're welcome. I hope the interview will be useful for you.
Oke, thank you Miss. Sekarang ganti personil.
Iya. Ya udah, karena ini sama Sapir.
Sapir. Wait.
Mana tesnya Sapir?